Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to update your MT5 app to the latest version. So if you're not seeing the newest features or your app isn't working properly, just follow along step by step to fix it. All right, let's dive in. First, open your Google Play Store or App Store on your phone. Now, tap on the search bar and type in MT5 or MetaTrader 5. Once you find the app, tap on it. If the app is already installed and you see an Update button, simply tap on Update and wait for it to finish. Once it's done, your MT5 will be updated to the latest version. If you see Open instead of Update, that means your app is already up to date. Now, if the Update button is not showing or your MetaTrader 5 app is still not working properly, don't worry, here's what you need to do. Go back to your home screen, find the MT5 app icon, then tap and hold on it. From the menu that appears, tap on App Info. Inside the App Info section, you'll see the option to uninstall. Go ahead and tap Uninstall to remove the app from your phone. And don't worry, uninstalling the app will not delete your trading account. Your account is safely stored on your broker's server. Now, go back to the Play Store, search for MetaTrader 5 again, and reinstall the app. Reinstalling the app ensures you're downloading the newest version directly from the store, which can also fix bugs, glitches, or update issues. Once the installation is complete, open MT5 and simply enter your login details and password to log back into your account. And that's it. That's how you can update MT5 to the latest version in just a few easy steps.